Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Manchester Caravan and Motorhome Show, so come and join us. So in this video we're going to be looking at alternatives in soft furnishings to the standard Sprite, and this one in particular is the Celebration by Gloss Ups. Now this caravan is finished in grey and it does have slight gold accents. Now I like this. I think it's a hard wearing upholstery, and also I like the fact that we've got the roundovers and the seating, and also it matches in my opinion better than the beige with the slate grey worktops. So let's take a look at the second alternative to the standard Sprite. This is the High Style by Loudhams, and it is finished in grey and a muted beige colour. Now again, it's got the rollover knee support in the upholstery. We don't have the buttons that you find on the standard Sprite, and also seems to be a better quality finish in the materials. So I'll let you take a look around this. So this is the third alternative to the Sprite standard interior. This is the Kudos from Preston Caravans, and I have to say I like this. It's quite a nice alternative to the standard beige and gold. So I'll let you have a little look for yourself. Well everyone, that was a little look at some alternatives to the 2020 Sprite interior. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit the thumbs up and also consider subscribing if you haven't already. But if you have subscribed, if you could hit the bell button and you'll be updated with our regular videos. Well, thank you very much. Bye for now.